Good morning, class. So, in our previous class, I have explained you about the laws of exponent. Hope all of you have understood the laws. Now, moving on forward, today I have explained about how to represent the given number in standard form. So, our topic for discussion of today is representation of number in standard form. So, what it says, a number written as m into 10 की power n is said to be in standard form if m is a decimal number. That means this m should be a decimal number such that this m lies between 1 and 10. So where this m lies, it should lies between 1 and 10, and n is either a positive or negative integer. And what should be n should either be a positive integer. Positive integer means 0 1 2 3 4 and up to infinite, or n should be a negative integer. Negative integer means -1 -2 -3 -4 and up to minus infinity. So I have explained this above definition with the help of example. Let's see, try to understand this with example. 6872. 6872 is a number. You have to represent this number in standard form. So what I did, I have written decimal. So in this number, decimal is present here after 2. So I have to move this decimal to left. How many places? 3 places. 1 2 and 3. After 6 I have put a decimal point. And how many places I have moved? 3 places. That means after 2, after 7 and after 8. So while moving from right to left, we will increase the powers of 10 by positive powers. So here I have put a decimal point after 6. How this decimal point comes? When I have moved from this to 3 places in left side. So I have got 6.872 into 10 की power 3. Where this 3 come? Because when we move from right to left side 3 places, then the decimal comes to this point after 6, that is 6.8, and hence I have put positive power of 3. So this is the standard form representation of given number. So let's see by how the large numbers are represented in standard form. Here in order to represent large number, I have taken some example to show how to represent the given number in standard form. Here 68386. 68386 is a number. So while writing in standard form, here actually the decimal is present after 6. This last one 6 is the point where the decimal is present. Now we have to move this decimal after this 6. So how many places it will move to the left side? 1 2 3 4. So 4 decimal places it will move in left side. So what I have done in the next step, I have just moved this decimal after 6. I have written 6.8386, and then how many places it has moved? I have written that much amount of 0 along with 1. Then I have written 10,000. Why 10,000? Because I have moved 4 places to the left. So I have multiplied the given number with 10,000. So in the next step, this 10,000 is written in exponential form. Exponential means I have written 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4, and this 10,000 means the same. So whenever we have to move the decimal from right to left, then we have to raise positive powers of 10. Similarly, in the second example, what I have done here, 14,000, 1,40,000 is the number. Actually, the decimal is present after this 0. So we have to move 0 to the left hand side. Okay. So how many places we have to take decimal after this one? So how many places we have to move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 places we have to move to the left hand side. So in the next step I have written 1.4, and then we have to raise the power of 10 up to 5, because how many places we have moved to the left? 5 places, and this 5 should be positive because we are moving from right to left. Similarly, take this is also a large number, 1 5 3 6 9 7 8 9 4 3 6. So actually the decimal is present after this 6, and now we have to move this decimal from this place to this place. We have to put decimal after 1. So in the next step I have written decimal point, written the number like this, and then how many places I moved from right to left? Just count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have to raise the power of 10 to 9. This is our standard form representation of the given large number. Note, while moving from right to left side, we have to raise the positive powers of 10. So what you have concluded from above examples, whenever we are moving the decimal from right to left, we have to raise the positive powers of 10. Now again, see what happens when we have to convert a given number in usual form. So this is the example. Write each of the following numbers in usual form. First I have taken the number, this 4.61 into 10 to the power 5. This is the number. This number is present in standard form. How will you identify the given number is a standard form? We will just see where the decimal is present. If the decimal is present after the first digit and the number is written in power form, 10 to the power something, then the given number is in standard form. Now we have to convert this number in usual form. What I have done, I have just multiplied the given number by 10 to the power 5. So decimal will move towards right side. How many places? 5 places, because 10 to the power 5 is there. So 1 2 and 3 more 0 will be placed. So result will be 4,461,000. This is the required answer. So similarly in the next question, 2.514 into 10 to the power 7. Here the decimal is present here. We have to move this decimal to right hand side. How many places? 7 places, because power of 10 is 7. So 1 2 3 and 4 more zeros should be put. 1 2 3 4 4 more. This is the required representation in usual form. Similarly, see this 2.0001 into 10 to the power 8. So how many places we have to move to the right? 8 places. 1 2 3 4 places till here, and then we have to put 4 more zeros. This is the required answer. Okay, so I will explain some more example and the next topic in my next video.